you got started with writing, and also you are doing with the writing as matter of practice. But what next? Hi, my name is Besurupa and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Coming up with the niche, as it sounds seemingly straight and simple, but is it really so? It is not a one-day job. It definitely takes a good number of days to finally come up with your niche. So how to come up with your niche? If spend some time, take a pen and paper and write down few like 10 to 12 or 15 items that you are interested about. And secondly, what you are good at. Then cut down the last few items, just consider five of them, and then from them take just one of them which you feel like you stay with yourself, you feel involved, and you feel like at least you will never leave the page blank when you talk about or when you be with that, and that is going to be your niche. At least to get started with, it is a good idea to be there or take or consider that as your niche. If you ask me, for me, I took writing as my niche, but that itself was is a huge area. Under that comes fiction, non-fiction, self-improvement, poetry, and there are many more. And I started talking or writing about writing, and I was mainly focusing on the problems that I was dealing, and currently also I talk about what I am dealing. So I found that as a good point to get started with. And after spending months of time, then I thought and decided that how should I go about, what should I do next. Then there came the point of niching down or going or taking a further narrower lane. And after that, I had to do what I am finding more interest or what I am doing fairly well, because I had already written for a couple of months or so, and I could figure it out. It became easier for me to find out where my interest was lying in, what I was doing well, where I was spending much of my time while doing the research, and which books were attracting me. So on the basis of that, I could narrow it down a little further by going one step below that or one step ahead, whatever you say. The idea is to narrow down the broader niche. That I more or less I talk about educational blogs, not academic in specific, but educational. I talk or I share about how you can make writing as a habit, how can you deal with the daily practice, how can you make out time for it, and how to be consistent with it, and many related factors with respect to getting inside the writing for the, you can say, for the beginners. And that is what I could reach at when I dug little further to it. Similarly, you can also, after spending months or days of time, when you feel that okay, now let me go a little or be little specific about whatever niche I have chosen to, then you go about and do a bit of research or spend some good time with research, and see what area is further your interest or you are finding more to talk about, and then likewise you can graduate from one stage to another for being narrower in your approach. So that was about it for today's video. It was about how to niche down when it comes to your area, or when it comes to on what area you are going to write for your readers. So how it will help you? It will help you to, first of all, it will help you to make your ideas sharper, specific, and also it will help you to build your audience base. So yes, that was about it, and I'll further come up with another video on this niche. And if you have any queries, do mention me in the comment box and I'll address them. Thank you and bye bye.